To transfer funds to a Morgan Stanley 401K rollover, start by gathering the necessary documents and information. You will need your current 401k account statement, the Morgan Stanley account application, and your identification. First, contact your current 401k plan administrator to obtain a distribution form, which will allow you to initiate the transfer process. Fill out the form according to the instructions provided, making sure to specify that you want to do a direct rollover to a Morgan Stanley account. Next, open a Morgan Stanley account if you do not already have one. You can do this online or by contacting a Morgan Stanley representative. You will need to provide personal and financial information to complete the application. Once your Morgan Stanley account is open, you will need to initiate the transfer. You can do this by contacting your current 401k plan administrator and providing them with the necessary information, including your Morgan Stanley account number and the type of account you are transferring funds to. It is essential to follow the instructions carefully to avoid any potential tax implications or penalties. The transfer process typically takes several weeks to complete, and you can track the progress by contacting your current 401k plan administrator or Morgan Stanley representative. Best practices include consulting with a financial advisor to determine if a 401k rollover is right for you and understanding the fees associated with the transfer. Additionally, consider the investment options and management fees of the Morgan Stanley account to ensure they align with your retirement goals. By following these steps and considering your individual circumstances, you can successfully transfer funds to a Morgan Stanley 401k rollover and take control of your retirement savings. It is crucial to carefully review and understand the process to avoid any mistakes and ensure a smooth transfer.